Hi, my name is Bill. I'm one of the nurses over here at the Lady of Lourdes Medical Center in the emergency department, and today we're going to set up an arterial line. First, you need to gather your supplies from the recess area. We have an introducer. This is the physician. We'll place this into the radial artery. An A-line kit with tubing. There's a vacuum container and some extra hookups for blood draws. We'll go over that. We need a 500 bag of saline. For purposes right now, we're going to use 1,000, but we'll usually use a 500. Pressure bag, pole, and a transducer holder. Once open in the bag, it will come out like this, and we're ready to set and prime our line. You spike the bag like you would normally any other tubing. Follow your line down to the transducer. You can actually sit that in here. Now this will be set up at the 4th intercostal space, roughly at the patient's chest wall. But right now we're going to lift it up so everyone can see it. And follow this down. This syringe is for a blood draw, and we'll talk about that in a moment. And follow our tubing down. Out to a trash can. Now we're ready to prime our line. You need to turn the valve off to here. And you should start to see the line prime and flow freely. Once you see the water flowing freely, no air bubbles, the line is primed. You're ready to come over to the hub. This will already be installed by the physician. Once this is set up, we're ready to hook it up to our monitor. Monitor over here. Plug it in. You should start to see your arterial line come up on the monitor. Come over to make the connection. Now once hooked up, we're ready to zero out our line to the patient. Over at the stopcock, we need to turn this to the off position and open this up to air. When we come over to the monitor, we press arterial, and we need to zero this out. Just press 0. Turn this to the off, and close your cap. You should be able to start to see a waveform and be able to read the blood pressure off the monitor. Now we can come to the part of the procedure to do blood draws. To do so, we come over to the syringe over here. There's a button that you need to click, pull up. This will be your waist. You will turn this off. Take your vacuum container with this adapter. Follow your line down. And we'll hook up. This is where you would do your draw. Once your draw is done, take your container off, and you return the blood. So you hear a click.
Open up, open up.
And that is how you set up an arterial line and do blood draws from it.